Hello children, let's continue the first chapter. Today we will learn the part building numbers. So what is building number? Already we have done in class 3 by taking the digits up to 1000 place. Here more things we will learn is up to lakh, means making the greatest number and smallest number by using the digits given. So how to make the greatest number, how to build the greatest number? To make the greatest number, we have to arrange the digits in descending order, that you can build the greatest number. Jैसे things, take the example, suppose the digits 3, 8, 9, 6 is 6 and 2 is given to you. You will build the greatest number from greater to smaller, that is 9, 8, 6, 3 and 2. And what will be the smallest number? Reverse of that. By arranging the digits in ascending order, you can get the smallest number. Some of the examples are given. Example 1. Use 2, 8, 3, 0 and 1 to build the greatest and the smallest 5 digit number. How many digits are given? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So greatest number will be from greater to smaller digits 8, 3, 2, 1 and 0. And for smallest number, which one will be the smallest digit here? 0. But as the rule of 0, we can put the digit 0 on the left of the number. So first after 0, which one will be the next smallest? That is 1. So here the number form will be 1, 0, 2, 3, 8. Okay, only 0 and 1 will change their place. Come to the second example. Use 2, 8 and 9 to build the greatest and the smallest 4 digit number. Means here only 3 digit is given. 2, 8 and 9. Only 3 digits are given and you have to make the 4 digit number. So what to do? For making the 4 digit number, we know we have to arrange 9, 8 to in a order of greater to smaller, but one more 9 we have to add here for making it 4 digit. For smallest, we have to take the smallest digit 2 times. Okay, now come to example 3. Use 1, 8 and 7 to build the greatest and smallest 5 digit number. Means here only 3 digits are given, but we have to make the number of 5 digits. So how many more digits we need? 2 more. We'll put the greater number 2 times. 8, 8, 8, 7, 1. In case of making smallest number, you have to put 2 1 more. That is 1, 1, 1, 7, 8. So it is very important. You have to write these 3 formulas in your notebook by putting the heading building numbers. Now come to the exercise 1C. Use the digits to make the greatest number and the smallest number possible. Do not repeat the digits. Means here we how many digits are given, by taking that only we have to make the greatest and smallest number. Just say 8, 4, 2, 1. So it will be the greatest number. 1, 2, 4, 8 smallest. Like 9, 6, 0, 7 is given. So 9, 7, 6, 0. Greatest, smallest. You may have doubt that smallest may be 0, 6, 7, 9. No. So next smallest will be 6 and 0 will change their place. 6, 0, 7, 9. Like this you have to continue. Use the digits to build the greatest number and the smallest number possible. You may repeat the digit because here only 3 digits are given, but we have to make it 4 digit and 5 digit. Go through the example and do it on your textbook.